Clinical trials are so important in helping us formulate decisions on clinical therapies for patients. In this case, we're very interested in exploring new ways to treat chorea from Huntington's disease. So as a person who's considering a clinical trial, there's a lot of things to really reflect on. One is whether or not this trial is right for you.
Clinical trials are important, and there are many things that individuals should be aware of before they decide to participate in a clinical trial. So let me just first start by defining clinical trials. So clinical research studies or clinical trials are research studies in which participants are asked to take a study drug under the supervision of a physician and other research professionals. Clinical research studies must be approved by an institutional review board, otherwise known as an IRB. An IRB is a group that is responsible for helping to protect the rights and the welfare of study participants.
You know, there's a lot of different safety nets, so to speak, or reviews that happen before a trial is allowed to go forward. There's reviews by the FDA, there's reviews by the institutional review board, there's reviews by steering committees, safety committees. All of these are designed to make sure that potential risks and benefits are clearly communicated to you as a participant. That at the end of the study, we'll be able to answer the question. In this case, it's does valbenazine improve chorea in Huntington's disease?
Participation in any clinical research study is completely voluntary, and participants may choose to leave the study at any time for any reason, and that is absolutely fine. If you would like to leave the study, you just need to discuss this with your clinical investigator, with the study team, who will inform you how to do this safely.
The key part of a clinical research study is the fact that it's voluntary. No one's forcing you to be in it. It's an elective decision, and you have the right to join the study or leave the study whenever you want to. But the key point that I recommend that participants think about is that this is a relationship between you and the clinical investigator and clinical team that is being involved in this study. And so it's a great opportunity for you as a patient or you as a caregiver to really develop a great relationship with the study team, because you're going to see them a lot. And you're going to have a lot of questions perhaps, and you're going to have things that come up. And this is a great chance for you to get involved with the clinical team at a center near you.
If you'd like more detailed information about the inclusion-exclusion criteria, I would refer you to the HSG, the Huntington Study Group website, or HDSA, the HD Trial Finder site, or even clinicaltrials.gov.